In this video, I'll show you how to confirm and verify your identity on PayPal step by step in a clear and simple way. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, log into your PayPal account on your computer or mobile device. Once you're logged in, PayPal may ask you to verify your identity to make sure the account and financial details belong to you. This step is important because it helps remove limits and allows you to send and receive money smoothly. After logging in, go to your main dashboard and click on the Wallet option. Inside the Wallet section, you'll see any cards or bank accounts that are already linked to your PayPal account. If nothing is linked yet, you'll see options to add a card or add a bank account. To verify your identity using a card, click on Link a Card. Enter your debit or credit card details in the required fields and submit them. Once the card is successfully linked, PayPal uses this information to confirm that the financial details belong to you, completing an important part of the verification process. If you prefer to verify your identity using a bank account, choose the option to link a bank instead. Enter your bank account details carefully. In some cases, PayPal will send a small test deposit to your bank account with a unique code and the transaction details. When you receive it, return to your PayPal account, go to the verification section, and enter that code to confirm ownership of the bank account. Depending on your account activity, PayPal may also ask for additional information. This can include uploading a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, along with proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. You'll usually see these requests directly on your dashboard or receive instructions inside your account. If you want to upload documents manually, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. Scroll to the Account Options section, where you'll find the area to upload your identity and address documents. Follow the on-screen steps and submit the required files. Once PayPal reviews and approves everything, any limitations on your account, including restrictions on sending or receiving money, will be removed. Keep in mind that PayPal may ask for verification again in the future if needed. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.